Don't ever kill birds with stones, and don't try to kill two birds with one stone, because this is really awful. Whatever, you know what I mean? So, hello, whatever, it's Lola. Obviously, people, they're like, Lola, gotta take your picture. Lola, give me your autograph, you know, because like. So just the other day, my sister, and Sister Jessie was like, Lola, you know, you're gonna kill two birds with one stone if you do that. And I was like, what are you talking about? This was like abuse to the maximum. Like, I don't know what she's talking about, killing no birds, but this is just awful. So I'm really upset with my sister. I don't know why she's trying to go in and kill the birds with the stones, but she is. Don't ever kill birds with stones, and don't try to kill two birds with one stone, because this is really awful. Don't take advice from people that do not know what they're talking about.